Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your privacy settings for Microsoft Copilot on Windows 11. By making these neat adjustments, you can prevent Microsoft from using your data for AI model training and personalization. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Copilot app on your Windows device. You can find it in your Start menu or on your taskbar. And then you have to click on the user account icon at the top right of the app. This will open your account settings menu. And then click on your account name and select privacy. Now you will see the options related to data saving and personalization. Now look for the model training toggle switch. Turning this off will prevent Microsoft from using your conversations to train its AI models. Just click the switch to turn it off. And right below the model training, there is a toggle for personalization. Now switching this off will stop Copilot from using your chats, being an immersion activity to personalize the experience. Now go ahead and turn this off as well. And if you want, you can also change the name the Copilot Assistant uses to address you by clicking on your name within these settings. And that's about it. You have now set up Copilot to respect your privacy. With these neat adjustments, you are stopping data from being sent to Microsoft for AI training and personalization across Windows 11, mobile, and web. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.